Good morning, everybody.
Hey, Alexa.
Get out of here, Sean.
Sorry. It's moving.
Alex, my man!
He's crazy about Jessica.
Good luck with that, Alex.
Give me that.
But of course, Alex. As soon as I get my book report. Otherwise, this goes viral.
Alex is just so... Alex, beat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're dead!
Oh, my life sucks. Wow. What is it?
This is a checkered ninja, obviously.
Piss off! Chicken shit loser.
Now piss off, you son of a butt-ugly oxygen thief!
What?
But what the hell are you?
Not all that again. If you call me Harlequin, I'll stab you.
It belongs to Philip Eppermint.
He's the man I'm looking for. I help you, and you help me.
Oh!
See? You're learning.
Way to go, Alex.
Duly noted. That's awesome.
Come on, it's not fair to hit people in the balls.
That was the groin.
John?
Huh?
John, what in the world is this? It was on your bedside table. Grandma's juicy jumps?
I'm your new best friend. This is important!
Jessica.
Forget that chick. Philip Eppermint is an evil man. He killed a boy.
I thought you were just a little brat with a ninja doll.
Everything you have is thanks to me.
It doesn't give you the right to ruin my life.
Tell me now.
No.
Ninjas aren't usually checkered.
No, and boys your age don't normally weigh 200 pounds. But seeing is believing.